Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday the 19th, and we're going to do another page in 31 miniatures to color till Halloween. Page 19 is this little cute guy. And I have collected quite a few markers around me because there are lots of elements. So let me see if I can put those in frame. There are lots of elements, and I wanted to do a bluish green palette. So let's see what we can make of this one. And everybody is still following. Look at what we have done already. This is unbelievable. So still going strong, folks, still going strong. So get yourself maybe a cup of tea or something else to drink, your supplies, and let's have some coloring fun. this little guy is also done. And I thought it needed a little bit of, extra. So now you can see it a little bit better on camera. I did with this is a Lango gel pen from the Lip Gloss Red series. No idea, they're not numbered, so I have no idea what number this is. I numbered it number 12, so I can find it. But I did a little bit of blood red in his eyes and also in the eye of the little monster fish because it needed a little bit extra. So I love how this turned out. I got all my murky greens out in the murky water and his face looking a little bit scared, but it turned out great. Love this page. All right, let's go to the front of the book again. You know the drill. After 19 pages, let's see if we can find a nice color to go after the orange. Blues we had. Let's do a brown. This is BR2 potato brown. Here we go. Let's do 19. All right. We are still... It's always got a feeling that when you are at the first half, it's counting up. And now I get the feeling we are counting down. And we are counting down to 31. We're almost at the straight going down. So this is going to be so much fun. Let's see what we're going to do tomorrow. Monday 20th. Oh, it's this one. That's a hard one because I wanted to do the cauldron not in completely black, but more in a dark gray. There's going to be yellow and orange, of course, for the candy. It might be really colorful because I am seeing quite a cherry pink reddish color for the hat with the green. Maybe a brown mouse, but I want to incorporate the colors in this section as well. Otherwise it looks like a carnival. But we still have one night to sleep over the color palette. So thank you so much for joining me today. I think we did a great page, a lovely page, and we are filling this book up, folks. Tomorrow I'm gonna do this lovely one, and I'm hoping you will join me again. Have a great Sunday and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.